What's up, guys? It's your girl Charnice, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I fumbled my way through doing these pipe cleaner curls. I did have a lot of trials and tribulations, but we got here. And you know what? I'm not upset about it. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and you want to know how to not mess up your pipe cleaner curls, stay tuned. Alright, so I started off with some freshly washed hair. I did wash my hair with the Design Essentials ON Henna shampoo. And I also did use my olive oil ORS. I think it's called like the sweet citrus conditioner. So what I'm doing is I'm just using a mixture of extra virgin olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil to put on my scalp, and I also put it on my locks as well. And I just rub that in, and I didn't use any gels or pomade or anything like that for this style, just because I didn't feel like having anything in my hair. I do notice sometimes that when I use too much product, if I sweat a lot, which I am doing now, if I sweat a lot, then the product kind of like runs down my forehead and I get these breakouts. So I'm just trying to stay away from that, and I'm just using oils to help me with that whole situation. So I'm putting my hair up in a bun just so that I can section off some of the hair. As you can see, some of my hair in the back is already down. And I'm going to show you guys how I use these pipe cleaners. All right, so guys, this was a terrible idea. I thought I was going out this night, and so I used, and I still wanted to do my hair. So I used those pipe cleaners because I was like, oh, this is going to be like cute and festive. But you guys are going to see the way it came out. My vision just was not happening. And also, it left a lot of those things in my hair, so I know that's gonna be hell to come out, but anyway, you live and you learn, right? So this is how I'm doing it. It's really easy. I'm just retwisting my lock first, and then I am just wrapping the lock around the pipe cleaner. And in the back, I only did one lock per pipe cleaner, but you guys will see in a few clips, I started actually doing 2 locks per pipe cleaner, and even though my hair still took a lot of time to do, it didn't take as much time as it would have if I just did it one by one. So I was happy with that, and yeah, that's how I'm achieving this look. Let's hope and pray that it comes out beautiful. Stay tuned for what I have to say after styling my hair with these pipe cleaners, because there's actually a method that I see on YouTube. I actually didn't see it until I decided to take a break from doing my hair and eat some dinner. That I think could have made this process a lot easier. So I'll show you guys that as well. All right, so I'm in the middle of my head in the crown, and this is where I'm going to show you guys how I used 2 of the locks instead of 1 to be wrapped around the pipe cleaner curls. I twisted them individually and then took the both of them and wrapped them around the pipe cleaner, just, you know, to cut down on time. I didn't think it would have much of a difference on the curls. We will see in the final reveal. But yeah, this is how I did it. So in the front, I actually went back to the 1 lock per pipe cleaner method, just so that I could have some nice bouncy tight curls in the front of my head. And if in the event that the curls in the middle of my head are a bit looser, maybe that can give it some volume and character. All right, so this took me quite a bit of time, but I'm finished now. I don't know why I thought it was gonna look a little different. Maybe I just need to like manipulate the pipe cleaners, but right now my hair is just looking kind of like all over the place. So I thought it was gonna be a cute little festive look.
Beg your pardon?
That I could keep in, but you know, it's not. Also, I am not gonna lie, I did see, while I was taking a break, I looked up some pipe cleaner videos, and I noticed that I was doing my pipe cleaners in an unconventional way, which I think is just gonna make it harder for myself to take these out.
The chicken that I cut up yesterday.
Let me show you guys the way that I saw people doing these pipe cleaners. So the way people were doing it, they would take the pipe cleaner and fold it in half, and then they would kind of like twist it like this. They would have like a little loop at the end. And then they would take their hair and from the bottom, just roll it up, which in hindsight, thinking about it now, would probably have made it easier to curl the hair. And also, when you go to take it out, you kind of just like pop. So if you like secured it like that, you just like straighten it out, and then you can just take it out like that. But in my case, I'm gonna have to now like unravel the bottom and then like, well, You'll see. All right, guys, so I've had these in for one full day. I did these on Wednesday night. I had them in for the entirety of Thursday, and now it is early Friday morning, Christmas Day, and I'm taking these down. So as you can see, I have to like kind of unravel the bottom of the pipe cleaner that I secured my hair with, and I have to go up the entirety of the pipe cleaner to unravel this lock. Now, as you can see, this curl is not at all how I expected my curls to come out. It kind of looks like you see, I look mad confused because it kind of just looks like I like braided my hair or something, or like, you know, the curl is just like super tight, and yeah. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna make of this. I don't know what's happening, but it's happening, and I'm going to embrace that. It's really early, that's why I look like I'm very tired, but you know, we just have to roll with it. It's taking forever to take these out, obviously, because and they're coming out like a really, really tight curl. Like, low-key look like I put some braids in. So I'm just gonna keep taking them out, and we'll see what happens. But I think it's safe to say that this pipe cleaner curl was a fail. And that's okay. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. So congratulations! I played myself. So, all right. What's happening is I have two different types of curls in my head. So I have a nice, like typical, I have a beautiful typical pipe cleaner curl that I wanted all around my head. And here I have some okay, so a few things went wrong when I was trying to do my hair. So first thing, I was inconsistent. All right, first thing, I was inconsistent. I did one lock per pipe cleaner on some locks. I did 2 locks per pipe cleaner on other locks. Then I think that the way I curled it did not make it easy for me to take out the pipe cleaners. Also, I don't know why I use these pipe cleaners, because now there's a whole bunch of like shedded stuff in my hair and it's gonna take me forever to take out. So I made a lot of rookie mistakes, okay? A lot of rookie mistakes. But I am determined to salvage this. So it's Christmas and I am going to get in the spirit. I'm going to uplift myself because I am a queen, and even though I played myself, I am talented and I can save this. So I'm gonna see you guys soon and show you the final look. So this is what I ended up with, guys. I know what I did wrong and I'm not gonna do that again. And it's Christmas, so I'm gonna go enjoy my day, have some lovely food, and I hope that you guys do the same. And happy holidays to those of you who do not celebrate Christmas. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.